Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are making the East African pancakes. These pancakes are made with cassava flour, but you can also choose to put some sorghum in the cassava flour. So mine has some sorghum in it. So we are going to use cassava flour, ginger paste, and then some yellow bananas. The small ones. You can call them undizi. In Uganda we call them undizi. So let's get started. You can also call them kabalagala. Now this is the same way we call kabalagala in other languages. So you start with peeling the small bananas, and after you're done with the peeling, you can then start pressing them. So now we add some ginger paste and then soda bicarbonate. Then we start pressing. When we are done with the pressing, it's time to put the flour. But then when you're putting the flour, it's good to put a little at a time, because now bananas can't always be the same size. So you put a little at a time until you get the consistency that you want. Mix until it's non-stick to the pan. So when we are done, it's time to start the cutting. You put some cassava flour on the rolling board. Now it's time to fry. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. Please consider subscribing. It's your one way of showing your love and support. We are now at 1,000 subscribers. Please join us. The subscribers and the returning viewers, you're welcome. Thanks for stopping by. Now these pancakes in East Africa, you can eat them anytime. With tea in the morning, or tea in the evening, or even just juice, or bushera, any. Because they're yummy. They can taste good when hot, even when cold. Now when they're ready, please consider covering them, because when you leave them open, they dry out. Please check out my other videos for other snack recipes. Now this soda bicarbonate helps break them down. They are very soft on the inside. Please try them. Come back and give me a testimony. Thanks for watching. Let's meet next video.